Hey, you guys, it's Blonde Richie. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys how to deep condition your hair after you bleach it. Okay. And this is by far probably one of the most important steps that you'll have to take after you color treat your hair. Let's get into it. So today I bleached my hair. Then after I bleached my hair, I toned my hair. I bleached my hair twice. The bleach that I use only go up to a level 8. So I got up to the level 8, but I like for my hair to be either at a 9, 10 or above. So I had to go over with the bleach again. So it's like at a level 9, 10 now. And then I put the toner over it. I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition my hair after I bleach it and tone it and, you know, just pretty much destroy it. So my deep condition process after I tone my hair is a 3-layer system. 3 layers. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in with a regular deep conditioner, and then we're going to layer it with a very thick custard, styling custard at that. And then on top of that, we're going to seal it with an oil. So let's get into it. So today's deep conditioner is Unwind by Hask. I did a video about this. I absolutely love this deep conditioner. If you did not see this video, watch this video. This is a different flavor of deep conditioner. This is the Pinot Noir. The last video I did Cabernet, and this deep conditioner says to repair and moisturize. That's exactly what you need after you bleach and tone your hair. You need to get your strength back, and you need to moisturize because the bleach and the toners and the developers will leave your hair very, very, very damaged. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the deep conditioner and I'm going to place it, put it in my hair. I don't have to explain that to y'all. Y'all know what deep conditioner is. Y'all know what deep conditioner do. So the thing about when I bleach my hair, the perimeter of my hair never lightens up to where the rest is. So I always have like that line. But I mean, at this point, it doesn't bother me. It's kind of cute. So the next step is we're going to put on a butter or a styling cream, or very thick styling cream or butter. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafaro Oil Intensive Hydrate and Twist Defining Custard. And how I got this custard is that I meant to get the deep conditioner because it was recommended to me from Taylor Ann from Mad Curls. You know the channel Mad Curls. They're like the best. She recommended me to get the Manuka Honey deep conditioner, and I didn't even look. I just picked the jar up and it was the twist and butter. But I was like, this thing is kind of thick, so let me see like how it works, even if I was to even use this as a deep conditioner. And I've used it, and I actually low-key kind of love the twist and butter as a deep conditioner. It's very thick. And then the last step is that we're going to put some oil on top of this to seal it in. This is the Sunny Isle Jamaica Black Castor Oil Extra Dark. I just put it in my hands, do a little of this, and I just rub it through. So now that that's in, I'm going to put on a processing cap, and I'm going to let this bad boy saturate for a minute. I mean a minute.
Sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
So I'm back. I think I deep conditioned my hair for about 2 hours, maybe 2.5. I know I did fall asleep. I took a nap because I tell you, I'm tired. I look and feel like a crackhead. It is what it is. On full crackhead mode today. But anyway, so this is how the deep conditioner came out. My hair is soft. The curl pattern is coming back. It's going to take a few deep conditions before my hair gets back to its normal curl pattern, because the developer actually does loosen the curl pattern, but you can always bring it back. But still, my hair is really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some product in it, and then I'll be back with the final results. Hey y'all, I'm back, and these are the results after I put the product in, after the deep condition. As you can see, my curl pattern has returned. my hair is probably about, I would say like 60% dry. Like, I'm ready to go to bed. I can't wait until it fully dries. This has been an all day process. I started bleaching my hair at about 12. It's currently 8 o'clock and we are just getting to the finish line. So this just was a mess. A good mess, a beautiful mess, but a mess nonetheless. So yeah, that is the process and how I deep condition my hair after I bleach my roots or bleach my hair, just to try to get my hair back in order. And it's definitely, it's getting back there, you know. I would say a couple of more deep conditions and we'll be back to A1. All right, y'all. So until next time, peace out. Be good to yourself and one another, and comment, like, share, subscribe, and all of that jazz.